leadership man of the match, and he was so in control, so commanding. Samkelo Zwane, congratulations. First start since I think October last year, and man, you dominated today.
Thank you so much. It feels good to be back in the starting lineup. You know, I've been working hard off the field and staying off the training, doing some finishing and extra work. I just want to thank my teammates, thank the coach, thank the whole of KC family. They showed a lot of support in me, and thank God I was given a chance today.
Let's talk about just your performance today and how you had to assert yourself. We knew that a lot of movement would be in that midfield.
Yeah, I mean, for today's game, we changed our shape a little bit in the progression. The coach told me that I'm going to play a bit higher, a bit box to box, but like higher. He wants me to play higher. So I just took the instructions and the results came.
Let's talk about a bit of diversion when we saw Mpundo's goal. You were a bit in the mix there as well.
Yeah, it was a bit of confusion, but I mean, at the end of the day, he scored, so we all happy.
Congratulations, Samkelo.
Thank you so much.
Top player, top individual.